Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1, problem number 4. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the pair of linear equations in two variables with graphical method. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is how to find the pair of linear equations in two variables in the graphical method. Keep on watching, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 4. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. So here total students also given, and girls and boys also, they are participating in a quiz. So girls, how it is given? Girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So for example, you have to take number of boys will be X, you can take, number of girls you can take as a Y. So according to the problem, what is given? 10 students of class 10. 10 students of class 10 means in the total 10th class students are 10 members, means in that girls plus boys we are getting 10, means x plus y equal, we can get 10. This is equation number 1 we are getting. Next, again according to the problem, girls means y equal 4 more than the number of boys. 4 more means plus we need to take, plus 4. Number of boys we took here x, means this equation we are getting y equal x plus 4 we are getting. We are solving this both equations, we are getting number of girls and number of boys who took part the quiz, mathematics quiz we are getting. So let us see. Solution. Let number of boys equal x. Number of girls equal y. By the problem, what is given? 10 students of class 10. 10 students of class 10 means 10 members are there in the class 10. Means you can take girls plus boys equal, we are getting 10. X plus y equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Now again according to the problem, again by the problem, here it is given girls is 4 more than number of boys. Girls we took here y equal 4 more than, means plus 4. So how much it is? Plus 4 more than the boys. Boys to 4 more girls are there. So this is about equation number 2. So now we are following in the graphical method. So graphical method we are following. First equation you can take. For the equation, that is x plus y equal to 10. So in that we need to assume x value, y value and pairs we are getting. So here we are taking as x value and assuming 0, and next step in y value also I am taking as 0. Now this equation you can take outside. This is the rough work. X plus y equal to 10. Now we are assuming x value is a 0. X value is 0 means we can get 0 plus y equal to 10 we are getting. 0 plus y, it is y equal to 10. So y value we got it here 10. Means this pair 0, 10 we are getting. 0, 10. Next we are assuming y value is 0. Now in this equation only y value you can take as a 0. So y value we are taking 0 means x plus y value is 0 equal to 10. X plus 0 value is x equal to 10. That value you can write it here 10. So here we are getting the pair is 10, 0 we can get. Next second equation, for the equation what is the equation? Y equal x plus 4. So here x value, y value and pairs. So x values we are taking as 0 first one. Next assumption value we are taking y equal to 0. Now you can take the equation. This is the rough work. Y equal x plus 4. So we are taking x value is 0. X value is 0 means y equal 0 plus 4. Y equal 0 plus 4. What is the value of 0 plus 4? That value we can get 4. So here we are getting 4 means here 0, 4 we are getting. Now we are assuming y value is 0. So here I am writing y equal to 0 means so 0 equal x plus 4. So we need x value. This plus 4 you can transpose to left. Means minus 4 equal to x we are getting. 0 minus 4 directly we written minus 4. Means we are getting minus 4. So minus 4 0. So this total we are plotting on the graph. We are getting the value of number of boys and number of girls we are getting. Now you can see here I am writing the pairs I am writing. So 0, 10 and 10, 0. And second equation pairs are 0, 4 and minus 4, 0. Now I will clean and I will draw the graph. Now you can take the graph. This is perpendicular to the base, that we can say the y-axis. This is parallel to the base. This is when we are taking as a x-axis. So this is y-axis. Now both axes intersecting, that is origin 0, 0, that value is 0. Here 0 right side values are positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. On the above 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Left side of the 0 minus values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Below the 0 also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now you can plot the points. First equation 1, we got the first pair is 0, 10. X value is 0, y value is 10. 0, 10 means we are getting here. Next pair 10, 0. So 10, 0 means x value is 10, y value is 0. We are getting there. So this is about first equation 1. Next second equation pair is 0, 4. 0 and 4 here, and minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0 means we are getting here. We are joining this one, we can get the value. So this is about second equations 1. So where it is intersected, that one you have to take. So this is 3 and it is 7. 3, 7. So x means here we got it 3, y means 7. So what we took here x means we took number of boys we took, that one we need to write it. So therefore number of boys equal boys x equal to 3, number of girls y equal, here we got it here 7. This is about graphical representation. Scale, must and should, we need to write the scale. So on x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. This is about graphical representation of the given data. For this problem only, without pair of linear equations also we can solve. How we have to solve that one? Once you can observe here. So this is method number 2. Method number 2. So in this we are following without pair of linear equations. So just what is given the data to only we have to find. So let number of boys equal x I am taking. So here girls, number of girls, how it is given? 4 more than the number of boys is given. So number of girls equal number of girls 4 more than the number of boys, means x plus 4 we are getting. By the problem, according to the problem, what is given? Total students will be 10 members. Total students means in that girls plus boys. So girls plus boys equal 10. So girls how many here? X plus 4 plus boys is x equal to 10. So this x plus x, 2x plus 4 equal to 10. This 4 you can transpose to right. 2x equal 10 plus 4 becomes minus 4. 2x equal 6. So this 2 also we are transposing to right, means x equal 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. X value we got it here, 3 we got it. X means what we took here? Number of boys. Therefore, number of boys equal x equal 3. So number of girls, x plus 4 equal 3 plus 4, that equals 7. When we have to use this method, means in the examination point of view, they will ask in 1 mark or 2 marks. We need to follow like this. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on how to find the pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.